Hello guys, Top Combo Tech here. Welcome with another video, this time OnePlus 6. The OnePlus 6 will be replacing the OnePlus 5T right now. The latter is actually not on sale anymore in the US. It's official, the OnePlus 6 will have an iPhone X style notch in its display, although it will be smaller than the one found on Apple's flagship smartphone. The Chinese firm has also confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will feature the biggest screen it's ever put on a phone while not increasing the handset's overall size, resulting in a 90% screen-to-body ratio. Rumors that the OnePlus 6 screen will measure 6.28 inches, which are now more than believable, since 6.2 inches is found on the Note 8. A leaked spec list reveals that the OnePlus 6 might have a dual-lens f1.7 camera on the back with 20 megapixel and 16 megapixel sensors, the same as the OnePlus 5T. However, the front-facing camera is listed as being a 20 megapixel, which is huge in megapixels. f2.0 stops one up from 60 megapixel on the OnePlus 5T. The same leak lists a 3450 mAh battery, which would be a slight increase on the 3300 mAh juice pack in the OnePlus 5T. It's worth noting that most of these specs match the Oppo R15, which makes sense since OnePlus flagships are often similar to Oppo ones as the two companies are linked. OnePlus 6 power and storage. There's no more guesswork required here. OnePlus 6 will pack in a Snapdragon 845 chipset, 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, as confirmed by the CEO. However, we expect a cheaper option to be available, likely with less RAM and storage, with a rumor pointing to a 6 gigs of RAM and 64 GB of storage configuration, and of course Android 8.1 on board. About the pricing point, the latest two price leaks point to a OnePlus 6 price tag between $605, about £430 in British, and Australia $790 to $749 in US, and could go as far as £700 in reality when the UK prices are announced. The OnePlus 5 and OnePlus 3 were both released in June of their respective years, so June 2018 is the obvious launch date for the OnePlus 6, but a number of rumors suggest it will arrive a little earlier this year, maybe in the end of May. Thank you so much guys, I'm Top Combo Tech, see you next time, bye bye.